Hello guys, I will show you how to download Adobe After Effects. In order to download, you need first go to this website. Now click enter. Click download. Then click free download. In order to download the file, we need to clear first these 3 stages. The step 1, click it, watch the video. You need to watch the video and wait for at least 60 seconds. Wait till the timer finish. After that, we need to close this tab. Then, proceed to step 2. Click. So, you don't need to finish a task here to finish this step 2. So, just click this and wait for it until 60 seconds. After 60 seconds, we need to proceed to the 3rd step. Click it. We need to read the article. Then after clicking it, close it. So we need to wait at least 20 seconds to finish this. After finishing, click continue. Don't worry guys, this is totally free. You don't need to pay anything. You don't need to bring out your wallet or credit cards. So I need to click this I'm a robot. I'm not a robot. Then click start download. Then your download will be starting. And congratulations, you're downloading Adobe After Effects. I hope this video helped you. Give it a like and click the notification bell so you won't miss any single video. Thank you.